Hello. The secret to profitable poultry farming is not always buying expensive feed. It is knowing how to combine affordable local ingredients into balanced diet that supports healthy growth and good feed efficiency. Smart feed formulation can lower costs while maintaining flocks performance and increasing the profit you make from the business. This is making broiler finisher feed to get maximum weight at a reduced cost. A truly balanced broiler ration requires amino acid supplementations like lysines and methionines, vitamins and minerals, and carefully selecting quality materials. The formula I'm going to give in this video is low cost practical example of using your local ingredients available in your kitchen to produce quality broiler finisher feed at a reduced cost with nutrient rich profile. This feed should be fed to your broilers between 5 weeks to 8 weeks. Please join me in this video. Let me give you the ingredients and the quantity you need to add while making the video. While making your feed, I'm not going to list them out on the board as usual. I'm going to dictate them because based on the previous video, in the comments section, many farmers requested that I should also give them the requirements for making broiler finisher feed. If you have your pen and paper, drop the quantity and use it to make this feed. The first ingredients here is maize. For this broiler finisher feed, quality finisher feed, 42% or 42 kg is good. This last dry grain, 10% or 10 kg is good. Rice bran, 10 kg is good for this. Now, pap west, 8 kg is good. Bambara northwest, that is upper west, 8 kg. Soybean meal, 8 kg. Pancake cake, 8 kg. Cassava peel, 5 kg. Then you have bone meal, 2 kg. Limestone, 1 kg. Blood meal, 2 kg. Salt, 0.3 kg. Then vitamin and mineral premix, 0.5 kg. Lysine and methionine, 0.2 kg. Almost ingredients will give you 100 kg feed formula. Let me give you the nutrition. If you make this feed will be very rich because of the approximate nutritional analysis I'm going to give you now. The feed well formulated with quality ingredients will give you 19 to 20% crude protein, which is a very rich feed that can boost the growth of your broilers within a short period of time. Metabolizable energy is 3,000 to 3,150 calories per kilogram. That's the energy content. The fiber is between 5 to 7%. Fat is 6 to 8%. Then calcium is 0.9%. Available phosphorus is 0.4%. This feed is designed for economical finishing and efficient weight gain for your broilers. Each of these ingredients contributes. Maize is energy. This light dry grain contributes protein and energy. Bambara northwest contains protein. Rice bran delivers quality energy and oil to this feed. Pap west contributes energy to this feed. Then soybean meal, it's a high quality protein source for broilers and livestock animals. Blood meal is rich animal protein because we have animal protein, we have crop or plant protein also, which fish meal, blood meal is for animal protein, while soybean, groundnut cake meal, bambara nut meal, and others are for plant protein. They are from crops. The pancake cake is also available. It's a rich source of protein and fiber. Cassava peel meal is a rich source of cheap energy in your feed. Lysine, that's limestone, is source of calcium. Bone meal is source of calcium and phosphorus, good for the legs of your broilers and eggshell for your layers. Then salt is sodium and chloride. Premix, that's the mineral and vitamin premix, contains all the required minerals and vitamins necessary for the optimal growth of your poultry bed. That is your broiler finisher. Lysine and methionine are essential amino acids, good for to balance any deficiency in all this feed. Now, this feed will cost very low when quality local ingredients are available and properly formulated. You get a very good quality feed and economical for your poultry. Actual saving in feed depends on local market price and ingredients available for you as a poultry farmer. This feed can help you to drop the cost of your feeding your broilers up to 50% or lower than that under conditions that they are available in your area. So you can evaluate the availability of this raw material in your area and know how to inculcate them into your feed. Please, this video interests you, give it a thumb up. If you have gained little knowledge or little or no knowledge at all in this particular video, thumb up please, and make sure you share this video to reach more poultry farmers who are in need of quality topic like this to help them drop the cost of feeding their broilers. Many farmers are suffering because of high cost of commercial feed. If they can get how to produce their own feed in your farm, or how to reduce the cost by using their local kitchen waste, they will be happy. And if you are part of the happiness of some of the poultry farmers, you always make profit in your business. Let's have any question, keep it on the comment section please. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop it on the comment section. I will answer all your questions. Do you have any product in your locality? Where are you watching this video from? Let me know on the comment section. Do you have any available local ingredient that you don't know their value, whether they can be used to produce feed or not? You are just imagining that this product is good the way you're seeing it. Please let me discuss with you. If it's large in your area, it will help you also. I will tell you the nutritional composition, how you can use it to produce your own feed. Or if you can't produce the whole feed, you can use it also to add to the commercial feed you use in feeding your poultry and livestock animals, so that you get maximum result and good profit. Let's stop this video here till the next video is uploaded. Bye for now.